everyone, my name is Anna Bean and I am on a mission. Today I'm doing something a little different. Instead of planning in my planner, I am going to open 4 grab bag boxes from Michael's that I scored. So thank you so much for joining me. All right, here's the 4 boxes I'm about to open with you. I've already cut the tape to make it go a little faster, but yay! Okay, I'm all set up here, so let's get started. In the first box, I'm seeing lots of face masks. Loads of them. Cute. Craftiness is happiness, I believe is what that says. Too cute. And with these Michael's grab bag boxes, they're $5 a piece, and they're just super fun. They're fun to, see what goodies are inside. I always find stuff to use as birthday presents or Christmas presents, and then I also donate a lot of stuff. These are flower petals. I donate, like last time, I ended up with 65 little wooden cat frames that I donated to my son's school. More masks, more face masks. These are Bella Canvas 10-pack daily use and discard face masks. Okay. Let's see what else is in this first box. I'm going to move kind of fast here. What are these? Place cards. Turn another light here. Little place cards. How cute. And I remember when these were in the store, this whole set, they had all different kinds of things that matched that set. So hopefully we'll get some more. Let's see what this is. It almost looks like a sticker book. Oh, how sweet. It is postcards. How cute. Girl gang. Oh, so super cute. Some more face masks. I'll find something to do with those. Maybe donate them somewhere locally here. Some more flower petals. And what are these? These are bottle labels. Ooh, I want to open it. I'm a planner. If you haven't seen my happy planning videos, that's what I do on my channel. These are paper too. I could use these as... Yeah, it's not too thick. I could use these as decorative boxes. Ooh, for my planning videos. How fun. They're super cute. Oh, and they all go in that same... No, I guess it's a little different. It's not the same. I thought maybe. But you know what? These stickers are in the Recollection sticker book. I've made a couple of spreads with them already. Too cute. All right, what else? I see some green boxes in here. And these are... paper mache butterfly kits. How cute. Adorable. Adorable. And they're normally $10. So check that out. Alright, that's the first box. Let's see what is in the second box. And it is full. Super full. Ooh, I see some trays. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Some embroidery kits. These are super cute. Super duper cute. Look at the little felt flower. Look, these little glasses are made out of beads. How sweet is that? And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this to a facility that my friend works at. It's kind of like a hospital for older people. Care facility. That'll be super cute. Let's see, some more face masks. Now it looks like we've got 4 packages of flower petals and a cute little window decal. Hello, spring. I already know who I'm going to give this to. Sweet little Clover. She'll love it. Check this out. This matches that one, the place cards, and it's coasters. But look, I love serving trays. Any kind of serving trays. This will make a really great gift for someone. Oh, look. It's a set, a matching set. This one's normally $10. And this one's normally $17. Cute. That's a pretty good score right there. All right. This box is so full. Okay, this matches the place cards. It's really kind of like a wedding theme, or maybe even a wedding shower, probably. That's not, you know, that's more of like a shower. Oh, that's super cute. That'll be a great gift for someone that is going to plan a wedding. Looks like lots more masks. Lots. Oh, what does this one say? Maker's gonna make. Cute. Look. Oh, look how cute. Oh, it's the quilling. The little paper quilling where you twine. I guess not twine. What's the word I'm looking for? Wrap the paper. That's so precious. That's super cute. Little girls will have some fun with that. Oh, this little box is kind of messed up. Oh, but look how sweet. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Little unicorn. And it's got beads and glitter and some little googly eyes. Paint. That is so sweet. All right. I'm telling you guys, this box is super full. Another gel window clean. Some more masks. Lots more. Yep. I'm so thankful that it's not something a lot of us have to wear anymore. And what are these? Looks like several packages of these. These are beads from Bead Landing. And, oh, you know what it is? It's like you put the stretchy material into the 2 holes and string your beads, the stretchy bracelets. Oh, they're really heavy. Super cute. Oh, look, there's more. There's more colors. I have a friend that works or volunteers at a Christian camp here in the Hill Country outside of Austin, Texas. I might be able to donate those to the camp. I'll have to hook her up. So, Samantha, if you see my video, I'm going to call you. Best day ever cake topper. That's super duper cute. Looks like it's made out of paper. And look at the little jewels. How sweet. All right. Tons more of those beads. Just tons. Oh, those blues are so pretty. And purple. I mean, can you believe all of this? I mean, so far, this is 2 boxes. For $10. You know what? It's just so much fun. And it was my husband's idea to put this on my channel. He was like, that'd be great content for your channel. How cute. More beads, like tons more beads. Oh, I hope they can do something with these. Oh, these are a cute, different shape, like little chevrons. Cute. Some ovals, more chevrons, more colors, more beads. Teal and turquoise, how pretty. Gorgeous. All right, these are cupcake toppers. I love the little butterfly. I think that butterfly is from the Recollection sticker book too. In fact, I think it's in my spread for this week. Hold on, we got to see. I have to see. This is my business happy planner. Look, it is. It's the exact same butterfly. How cute is that? So that is Recollections artwork. Interesting. Cheers stir sticks. These are adorable. I love them. And check this out. It is vinyl. Women's History Patterns. Everyday Heroes, it says. Look at the background. It's such a pretty color. All right, Brandy, you want this for your vinyl stash? You can have it. And Look at this, guys. Still more beads and more beads, more face masks, more cheer stir sticks, more beads, more beads. Hey, and guess what? More beads. I mean, holy cow. Look at that. And there is about 10 more packages of beads in there. I'm not getting out the rest of them, but look at this. How sweet. It's a little kit. A little flower kit. Little crafts. How sweet. It's super cute. All right. Bunch of canvas. 12-piece set. Look. Oh, how cute. It's got little brushes and the paint and glitter and a little tray. Oh, my brother is going to love this. He is going to love that. Yep. So there's 3. Now let's see if they're different. This one is Girl Power Strong Woman Babe. Super cute. And of course, my brother will cover this up and just use it as a blank canvas. Empowered women can empower women, empower the world. 2 of those. Sorry, my camera's shaking. I'm kind of hitting the table a little bit. My bad. Oh, look. There are 4 more of these. And they are the same. Try not to hit the table. Okay. Ooh. All right, check these out. They are stemless wine glasses, and they've kind of got a blue tint. Let me move some of this out of the way. Okay. There are 5 of these in there. Thankfully, they did not get broken. Normally $8, but they've got like a blue tint, and I love the gold confetti. These are super cute. Super duper cute. All right, so we're done with that box, and now we are on to the last box. Ooh, let's see. There are 2 of these trays in here. Look how cute. How stinking cute. And look at this. This one doesn't have the packaging, but it's a table runner. It's a beautiful table runner. $19.99. Look how sweet with the little fringe. I tell you what, I'm going to give this away on my channel. All you need to do is subscribe and leave a comment down below. And at the end of July, I will give this away. Yeah. And there are 4 of them. So, absolutely. Let's do a giveaway. And maybe I'll include some beads. No, just kidding. Maybe you'll get a surprise in there too. Yay, how fun. All right. So yeah, do that for your chance to win. Yeah, so let's do that. So leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and at the end of July, I will draw a winner. And it's so pretty. I love these little tiny green polka dots. It's beautiful. Great jobs, Michaels. Great job. Okay. Oh. Huh. And look, there's another one. All right. Someone's getting that set for Christmas. And it looks like more masks. And I will find a good home for these. Some more Bella Canvas masks. Mask. Oh, some more cupcake toppers. And then cupcake toppers in that Best Day Ever. I'm going to have to find somebody that's having a wedding and bless them with all this Best Day Ever stuff for their wedding shower. That'll be fun. Oh, I do have a friend that knows somebody. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, goody. Here is another stack of stuff. Okay, this is a bumblebee coaster set. Super cute. Look how cute that is. So cute. sorry, I hit the table again. Okay. Some more of those bottle labels. Coasters in that same Best Day Ever theme. Some napkins, paper napkins. Oh, more bee coasters. Look at this cute little guy, a little ladybug. Little pom-pom ladybug kit. How cute, cute. What is this? Hollow. Some hollow, oh, little doilies. Those are so cute. Stickers in pink. Little pink letter stickers, alphabet. Look at this kit. It's regularly $15. And look at all the glitter. Glitter glue. Ooh, there's washi. There's like sparkly washi tape in there. And some glue. Fun. All right, let's celebrate cake topper in blue. Paper flowers. Some more picks. Labels, picks. Stir sticks. More picks. Lots and lots more picks. What is this? It's a t-shirt. Women for Equality. A little blue medium t-shirt. Cute. And a tray. Such a pretty tray. So pretty. Love it. Okay. Let's see what's left. All right. You're not going to believe this, but there are probably 20 more packages of beads, if not 30. And they are pink, blue, and purple, and white. I'm not going to dig all those out. Unless you just want me to. But then again, look how sweet. And I love these. Super sweet. Too cute. I'm going to have to use these little pink ones with the polka dots for the flamingo party. And then put a little flamingo sticker on it. Because we do cupcakes every year. Another paper mache butterfly. Some more cheers, stir sticks. And this isn't even all of them. Oh, there's some yellow, pink and red, silver and gold, little white alphabet. Little girls will love that. All right, guys, this was super fun. Super fun. I love the boxes from Michaels. And thank you. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope and pray that you have a fantastic week. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much when you hit that little button, and it just makes my heart so happy. So have a blessed day. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.